Ever stared at that denied notification from Beforepay and wondered what gives? You're not alone. Plenty of people find themselves in the same boat, scratching their heads about why they can't access those much-needed funds. It can be frustrating, especially when you're in a tight spot. So, let's dive into the potential reasons why your Beforepay application might not have gotten the green light. One of the most common hurdles is your income stability. Beforepay, like any financial service, needs to see a consistent and reliable flow of income. They want to be confident that you'll be able to repay any advances you take. This means if your income fluctuates wildly, or if you've recently started a new job and don't have a substantial history of paychecks, this could be a factor. They're looking for predictability, so irregular income streams might raise a red flag. Another crucial aspect is your banking history. Beforepay analyzes your linked bank account to assess your financial health. This includes looking at your account balance trends, the frequency of deposits, and any history of overdrafts or negative balances. Frequent overdrafts or consistently low balances might suggest financial instability, making Beforepay hesitant to approve your application. They want to see responsible money management habits. Your repayment history with other financial services also plays a significant role. If you have a track record of missed payments, defaults, or other negative marks on your credit report or with other similar services, Beforepay will likely take this into consideration. They want to minimize their risk, and a history of not meeting financial obligations elsewhere can make them cautious. Sometimes, the issue might be simpler than you think. It could be related to the information you provided during the application process. Double-check that all the details you entered, such as your name, address, and bank account information, are accurate and match your official records. Any discrepancies or typos could lead to an automatic rejection. Ensure your linked bank account is also in your name. Beforepay also has its own internal eligibility criteria, which they don't always publicize in detail. These criteria can involve various factors, including the age of your bank account, the types of transactions you typically make, and potentially even your spending patterns. While we can't know the specifics of these internal rules, it's worth considering that your financial profile might not align with their specific requirements at this time. It's also important to remember that financial assessment models are complex and constantly evolving. What might have been acceptable in the past could change as Beforepay refines its risk assessment procedures. So, even if you were approved before, a change in your financial situation or Beforepay's internal policies could lead to a different outcome now. Finally, while it might not be the most common reason, there could sometimes be technical glitches or issues with the application process itself. If you suspect this might be the case, it could be worth reaching out to Beforepay's customer support to inquire. They might be able to shed some light on the situation or identify any potential errors. Understanding these potential reasons can help you identify areas where you might need to make adjustments to improve your chances of approval in the future. Building a stable income history, maintaining a healthy bank account, and ensuring all your information is accurate are key steps. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.